We are pleased to show you the 2021 X7. The BMW X7 is sure to excite those looking for a full-size BMW SUV. Third-row seating, coupled with the latest technology and upscale interior features, make this a must-see for anyone looking for a luxury SUV vehicle. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, dual moonroof, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.